Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Sarah. This is No BS Beauty. Really quick, subscribe to my newsletter below the link. And this week I've got a giveaway. I've got a hair oil from a brand which Gissu. I've got a cleansing balm from Elemis, a little Sol de Janeiro sample, a little Innisfree Cherry Blossom Moisturizer, a hand cream, and a hair cream. So you got everything covered. You got your body, your hair, your hands, your face, everything moisturized and good. So, okay, on to today's review, which today I've got the VT PDRN Essence 100. And they just came out with a new product kind of in a similar vein to this. So, okay, so they say achieve a radiant glow with this powerful firming essence packed with 100,000 part per million of low molecular ginseng-derived PDRN. If you watch my PDRN video, you know a little bit about different types of PDRN. They can be sourced from different sources. Fish is a common one, and ginseng for plant and vegan options is a common one as well. And they say this vegan essence is also enriched with 5 types of ceramides, polyglucuronic acid, panthenol, squalane, and allantoin for soothing and hydration. So, on to my first criteria, which is packaging. I like the packaging. It's cute. It's an airless pump bottle, which is nice and efficient and cute at the same time. Yeah. So, yeah, I guess it's not, yeah, it is airless. Okay. Very cool. Okay. Second criteria is alcohol. There's no denatured drying types of alcohol. There's also no fragrance and no scent. So if you have sensitive skin or a sensitive nose, or I like to call it a sensitive snout, yeah, it's friendly for that. And it's made in Korea, so no issues with that. So in terms of the ease of use, I'm not exactly sure why they call this an essence. I know it's kind of a Korean thing, but it's more of a serum than an essence, really. It's got a little bit thicker texture. And a little bit of it goes a pretty long way, but you can apply it morning or evening or both, and it absorbs pretty quickly and nicely. It feels really nice on your skin. I feel like one pump is generally enough to cover your whole skin. I'd recommend using it after cleansing and toning, and morning or evening. I've kind of switched it up using it in both different routines, but once it soaks in, it says to a natural finish that is slightly dewy and slightly tacky, but not terribly so. So it feels really nice on your skin. No issues at all with that. In terms of beneficial ingredients in here, we've got, obviously, ginseng from the PDRN. So ginseng is a great antioxidant, super strong antioxidant, helps improve blood circulation. We've got niacinamide, which is a brightening ingredient. We've got vitamin E, antioxidant, hydrating ingredient. Sunflower seed oil, emollient and barrier repairing. We've got arginine, which is an amino acid, helps with, so arginine helps with building blocks and skin collagen, really nice ingredient. We've got adenosine, which is a cell communicating ingredient. It also helps with barrier repair. We've got baobab seed oil, which is an emollient, plant rich in fatty acids. We've got allantoin, soothing, squalane, skin identical ingredient, polyglucuronic acid, which is an oligosaccharide that works as a moisturizing ingredient. We've got Ceramide NS, Ceramide AS, Ceramide EOP, and Ceramide AP. They're all skin identical ingredients and help with hydration and barrier repair. Let's see, we've got sodium DNA, which is the star ingredient in this. And the DNA that they're using is from ginseng. It's derived from ginseng as opposed to salmon, which is actually in this product, it's the very last ingredient on the list. Typically, it doesn't take a whole ton of it to be beneficial. Even in small amounts, it can be beneficial, but it's still... it's a little bit, what would I say? A little bit of it. To name the product after the very last ingredient, sometimes it's a little icky to me, but... Sauce, I guess. It's a little bit like, I get it, though. But very nice for brightening, helps with skin elasticity, texture, enhances wound healing. May also help with inflammation and brightening. So very nice ingredient list. I love ginseng. The Hygiene Natural Repair Serum is one of my favorite ginseng products, and it's amazing, and I repurchased that one many times. So, okay, in terms of animal testing, this brand is self-declared cruelty-free, but it's not actually recognized by any organizations that I can see, but they do say they are cruelty-free, and this is apparently vegan, so no issues with that. In terms of performance, you can see just how much smoother the one hand looks that I applied it to. It really does a nice job hydrating, smoothing skin, and soothing it. Helps with wound healing. So I wouldn't say I notice help with wrinkles upon application, but it does plump up skin. And for what it promises to form, sorry, Ike's a little noisy today, or he's always noisy, form a radiant skin moisture barrier and create a post-spa health glow effect to provide healthy glow and elasticity to skin. I would say it helps with most of those benefits, not exactly from the PDRN that they're naming the product off of, but more from the ceramides, the ginseng that they used. And it's not super friendly for acne-prone skin types. It has isopropyl myristate, polyglycerol, serol 3, Diisostearate, vitamin E, and squalane. So it's got 4 ingredients of note. The most important one is the isopropyl myristate, which a lot of people can find very comedogenic. In terms of the price, this one's starting to sneak up there. It's 1 ounce, it's 30 milliliters, and it's $43, which for a K-Beauty product is expensive. A lot of the K-Beauty stuff is, $20, $25, maybe 30. Rarely do I see some of these serums get this expensive, so it is a pricey product. Although this brand, I think, has gotten a little bit more pricey. Their Riedel serums are coming up about $50 or so. So that's I consider this expensive for what's in it. Then in terms of the it factor, it's nice. It's a decent product for dry and sensitive skin. I wish they would have included more of the ginseng DNA, or maybe some more beneficial ingredients or antioxidants or brightening ingredients, but there are some alternative products that are a little bit more affordable than this if you think this one's too expensive. So those include the Annuus PDRN Hyaluronic Capsule Serum, which I think is about $20, the Genabel PDRN Vitatoning Ampule, and the Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Serum, which is what I'm trying up next. So I'm going to test that one out soon. So, okay, so with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one an 8. It's pricey, and it's not the most original product, but it's a good one. And it does give your skin a nice feel. So nothing wrong with that at all. Very nice product overall. And I think a lot of people that have tested this have had really good luck. I wish I would have named it like the ginseng serum or something like that. I don't know. I might be a little more friendly towards it. But anyway, curious if you had a chance to check it out. And if you have what your thoughts are, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. And here comes Ike. Poor Ike. There we go. Out the doggy door. He has to have the door open wherever he goes. He wants to go in and out 100 times a day. So that's why I have the doggy door. Okay. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.